Hi guys. Yes. All right. Let's get to it, guys. Work at the hospital. Find out what's really happening. Dun dun dun. Heh. Thank you. Nobody ever done that before. Oh, and another thing. If you have any more, if you if you have any other ideas for us or just me to play, put it in the comment section below. Be sure to like and subscribe. Alright. Bet. Resi Wizard. Alright. Then me and Olivia will just do what secretaries do. I mean, interns do. Bro, wait, guys! His last name's Sasuke. His last name's Sasuke. Well, actually, it's not spelled correctly, but it still says it. Do you, Mr. Sasuke? Do you have? Wait. Valley. I'm gonna. Is this just my computer, or is this an anomaly? Oh wait, no, it can't be an anomaly. So it's just my computer. My computer is lagging. If you guys can. Alright, the shuttles are locked. He actually got plastic. To be honest, he got plastic surgery, and I think he should not have got it. No, his face looks bad. Alright, the moment he fixes the shuttles. Oh. Sorry. Thank you. Stop saying it so much. I'm checking cams. Cams are good. The cameras are good. And it's not because I was gonna say it's not because we're mean and don't care. has the fire extinguisher? Who has the fire extinguisher? Oh, give them the coffee. Give them the coffee. Give them the coffee already. Hi. Also, oh, and another thing, to view my sister's channel, you would want to type in, sorry, what was your channel again? Don't do that. I don't. We don't like the doctor. He's ugly. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna shop. Visitors check in faster? Oh, that's good. Who bought it? Who just bought it? Rathu. I love Rathu! I love Rathu. It's I'm called doing Rathu. I'm doing Rathu. No, I want to do Rathu. Don't close the shuttles. Yeah, don't close the shuttles. I know. No, do it so I can do the ritual. Let me do the ritual. Cause I'm gonna go get the eye drops. Wait, did you check the cams on other guys? Are we serious? Oh no, we're good, cause the first patient was Rathu. Oh, I just kissed the possessed. They needed a kiss before they before they turn unpossessed. Also, hey Riley, we're gonna beat your record so bad. Maple syrup, kitten, herbs. Oh my god, that was Stalker. Oh my god. I don't really like Stalker. He sometimes scares me. Yep. So not trying to copy those YouTubers like Kalis or K, but grab a bucket of popcorn and drink and, you know. Oh shoot, I forgot, I gotta do this! I always had eye drops, Riley. It's actually not really. Did I do it? Oh! Yeah. Olivia, were you checking the cams on the other patients? Hope this does good. Oh, med kit. Aw, they crapped. They farted. They farted again. Oh, fine. Oh yeah, cause there might be some little Timmies watching this. What? That's what you call really small children. Also, Riley, remember your record in the other video when you got a shift 4? You were like 30 minutes in. We're gonna beat your record. Is Riley taking a break? Alright, I'm doing the last one. Wait, guys, what was your highest shift? Fever, Canadian stomachache, thermal, maple syrup, and herbs. Thermal, maple syrup, and then herbs. Done. Is that the last patient Riley's doing? Oh. Alright, I'm at the break room. Look at the taser! Oh. Is our Discord broken? Sometimes we got. Sometimes. No. I'm crying. Oh. Ooh. Oh, nobody. We didn't have the. Ooh, we. Oh, nice. I love how it says AG us. No, the guy on cams is good. He's good. He's good. Guys, I'm on. Guys, I'm on 30 sanity. Really? Well, on the cameras, they're good. Raphael! Raphael! I'm cleaning this. Oh! Hi! Yeah. Move, Olivia. Move. Yeah, he's an anomaly, yo. He's an anomaly. Oh, I'm gonna drink 2 sips of the coffee. Cause I'm on I was on 30. Wait, I'm on 38 now. Hold the shuttles. Open the shuttle. Don't. I have the coffee. I have the coffee, guys. Wait. Okay, fine. Riley does it. No. Don't treat this guy. Treat him. Wait, but if he has any other anomaly though. Yeah, he's possessed. Oh, he's in the room? Oh, shoot, he's in room 1. Oh, I had a page. Undoing Raphael! I forgot entirely about him. Oh my god. Bleeding, headache, and dehydration? Hold on, somebody's calling me. Yo! Sorry, dude, my friend is spam calling me. To be honest, it kind of sounds unprofessional when we say there's my friend calling. I'm doing the ritual now. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Guys, I had to do the ritual with the don't look up ceiling. It sounds like the lava from Minecraft. Headache. Alright, so he needs medicine and eye drops, cause the ritual. When is he gonna start the ritual? There we go. Done. Oh, is that Ron from accounting? Can I have a little help on my side? I have to do it again? Dude, the ceiling is possessed again. Or whatever that is. I know, but I don't know what to call it, so. Wait, was that thermo or? Yeah. That was thermo. And then herbs. Can somebody do Ron from accounting? Never mind. Bam. Alright, number 4. Hey man. How you doing, Ron? Wait, is it Ron? Is Ron the last patient? Blue, dried eyes, and fruit. Cough syrup. Oh no, it's maple syrup! The bruises should be medkit. Alright. Finished. Bam! We beat your record. Wait, is it the ghost? Ambulance! Kill the ones that heads are not moving. Alright, then everybody go! 2. With the ceiling monster? Balloon rash. Cough syrup and ointment. Cough syrup and ointment. Go! Done. Alright. Oh. Alright. That one's recovering. They're all recovering, so I have nothing to do. Oh, I'm on break. Yeah? Oh, okay. And there's the eye thing. Oh, oh, it just needs ointment. He's recovering. Alright, what is patient? Cough syrup. Somebody repair the camera. I got it. Fixed. Anyways, Riley has the. Oh, why is there so many wall ceiling eyeball things? There's so many. Yeah, I know. It takes jump stress. There's another camera down. Guys, fix the camera. Oh, never mind. Good. Wait, what about excellent? You know what? Wait, shit, 6? What happened to 5? It's 5. This guy right here is an anomaly. He's an anomaly. Wait, don't taser yet. Don't taser yet. I want to see if you're right about your hole in neck. Ah. Raphael! Oh, nothing. The guy's good. He's good. He's good. He's good on cams. I love tiny weenie Rathu. Oh, I get to do him. Guys, Ah! Help me! Oh, he's following me. Oh, he's following me. Guys. I'm on low sanity. Can somebody do room 7? Somebody take the fire extinguisher and do room 7. I need the coffee. I don't care if I have to give it to Barney, I'm still drinking everything. Wait, what about the possessed one? Oh. Ron is here. Wait. Oh, I still have to do Ron. That was really fast. Blue fever head. Oh. Yo, Rafi isn't feeling that good. Dude, flu fever and headache. Somebody do that. Yeah. Oh. Hey guys, in room 2 there's a fire. Oh, there's also the guy that chases you that blends in the wall. Oh, that's Rathu. Hi, Rathu. That was so rude. Guys, there's a visitor watching the ritual. Is that safe? Done. Riley, I needed it. AT Off, my friend. See, he's my friend, guys. He wants a picture, guys. Oh, evil Barney. Yeah, I can put it on. I could put it on the screen, right there. She's good. She's good on cams. Please be on room 6. Wait, really? Oh, shoot. Can you help me with room 2? I hate Ron. Can I give him the wrong treatment? Bruise it. So, medkit and eye drops. Bam. Okay, I treated Ron. Riley. After you're done with that patient, you gotta do the room 7 patient. Yeah. Wait, Olivia, did you look on cams on that girl? Oh, she's good. They're both good on cams. Why? Oh. Yeah, he's Canadian. No, right, he's the Canadian monster. Oh, look how cute he is. Yeah, but isn't he so cute? Oh. Riley, I love you. Wait, one just complimented us, the best doctor ever, hands down. That's good. Also, I think it's kind of awkward that I said I love you on the channel. Yeah. That's alright. I have one more patient to take care of. Wait, what are you guys even fighting about? Because I can barely hear you. Skinwalker! 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 Kill it. I don't like it. No, don't run away. Please. Hope you didn't see that. You saw nothing. Yeah. Guys, I only have 23 sanity. Wait, what does visitors a minute mean? I don't know what that means. Coca-Cola. One is an anomaly.